In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Epic Games Launcher. If you no longer use the Epic Games Launcher, or you'd simply like to remove it from your computer, Windows makes the process quick and straightforward. Removing the launcher can help free up storage space and reduce the number of applications installed on your system. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to remove the Epic Games Launcher safely from your Windows computer. Before you begin, make sure the Epic Games Launcher is completely closed. If it's still running in the background, Windows may not allow you to remove it properly. Take a moment to check that the launcher is no longer open on your desktop and that any related windows have been closed before continuing with the next step. Once you've confirmed that the launcher is closed, move to the bottom left corner of your screen and locate the Start button. Right-click the Start button to open the Quick Access menu. From the list of available options, select Apps and Features. This will open the Windows Settings page where you can manage all of the applications currently installed on your computer. After the Apps and Features page opens, you'll see a search box near the top of the window. Click inside the search box and type Epic Games Launcher. Windows will search through your installed applications and display matching results. If you prefer, you can also scroll through the list manually until you locate the Epic Games Launcher. Once you've found Epic Games Launcher in the list, click on it to reveal the available management options. You'll see an Uninstall button. Click Uninstall to begin the removal process. Windows will ask you to confirm your decision before continuing. Click Uninstall once again to confirm that you want to remove the launcher from your computer. The uninstallation process will then begin. Depending on your computer, this may only take a few moments to complete. During the process, Windows will remove the launcher and its program files from your system. When the process finishes, the Epic Games Launcher will no longer appear in your list of installed applications. If you ever decide to use Epic Games again in the future, you can always obtain the launcher again from the official Epic Games website and sign back into your account. Your Epic Games account, game purchases, and cloud save data are associated with your account rather than the launcher itself, so removing the application does not delete your Epic Games account. And that's all there is to deleting the Epic Games Launcher from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,